trackside for the win. No, I talked to my tuner today. He still ain't got my car finished yet with the E85 and putting the injectors in. Hopefully I'll have it ready next week. You know, things just don't be going right when you be making changes. Man, that thing popping like this. Oh, that's crap. What you did to your Mustang? Got scrap in here. He come to win too, y'all. They got fresh meat on there? Oh yeah, he ain't burnt the stick off of him yet. He come to straight race. Rob one time is now followed. Appreciate that, Rob, one time for the one time. He trying to get it right, man. Y'all in the daily driver shootout today?
Yeah.
Okay, they in the daily driver class. Team Scrapper in the building.
Good, look out.
What's up with it, man?
Good,
Coach,
man.
you having a good day today?
Trying to, man.
Already.
Church is one.
Yeah. They were telling you something you needed to hear?
Yes, sir.
Already, man. Ain't nothing like hearing what you needed to hear one time.
Something I need to hear one time. It's up to me what I do with it, though.
Yeah.
You get down payment on one of your shirts.
Already. We got scrap. What time the shootout start?
The scouts meeting at 4. I think they're gonna start. They're gonna start probably soon after. They're gonna have to hurry.
Yeah, they gotta start shoot at least. Well, I read on the flyer it said by 5.
Yeah, they got like 5 left.
H-Town in the house. Yeah, we out here early today, man, trying to get some of this sunlight.
All right.
It sure feel good. As long as you got the right clothes on. I love that old sun.
All right, man. As long as you got the right clothes
You
on.
gotta have the right ones on. Let that sun beam on you, get you some of that good melanin.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the merch on deck. Looked like he was spinning the whole way. It looked like it was on one side, skated from one side to the other side. Got my boy in the building. I gotta make sure he got a shirt. I think he getting the Lookout Racing shirt today too.
Right.
Team Yello in the building. Clint needs some brakes. They only got big size on the grudge time site. Yeah, he was spinning at the top end. He probably still had nitrous coming in, y'all. But I'll let my boy know on grudge time tees that they only got the big sizes up there. Oh yeah, he was still moving. Scrapper ain't no joke, man. He got a progressive system on it. Probably got about a good 400-500 shot. and probably got that shit steady coming in as he coming down the track. Yeah, it's break time. Oh, Souk Mike, what's up with it, man? We just was talking about you, bro. Hey, y'all, Souk Mike, appreciate the $22.99, man. We done spoke him up, man. Man, Souk Mike, bro, we miss you, man. I ain't lying, bro. Man, we were just talking about you probably about an hour ago. Like, man, ain't nobody heard from Souk Mike, man. God damn, bro, what's up, man? Souk Mike is in the house. And we got Team Joseph in the house, man. Man, everybody say what's up to old Souk Mike, man. That's my boy right there, man, for real. That's my boy. What we just talking about Souk Mike, man? They were trying to say that old boy back here was Souk Mike. Let me wait until after this pass, man. They were trying to impersonate you, trying to make me think that he was here at the track. Souk Mike back in the building, man. That's what I'm talking about, bro. My cash app is Lookout Racing. It's right there in the right corner. Hold that mother. You need to hold that damn thing. I don't got nothing locked in today. Hey, look out. You Souk Mike back. Yeah, he back, fool. He on the channel right now.
Oh, for real?
Nah, yeah, he on the channel. He on the channel. The real Souk Mike, not the fake one. The official Souk Mike is on the channel, man. He is on there. He back, bro. Huh? I told him it wasn't you, man. They were trying to say it was you. I told him who it is. He back on the building right now.
Nah, that was my brother trying to clown and shit.
Yeah.
Nah, that wasn't me, though.
I told him. Souk Mike back on the channel, bro. Damn, man, how you been?
Hey, you got that truck or what?
Man, appreciate it, Souk Mike, for the third. Yeah, I got the truck for sale.
You know, I'm talking about the Turbo S10.
Oh, yeah.
You know
The gray one. The gray one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm betting with him.
You think he can beat that Mustang?
Yeah, I mean, he lost last time to him. The S10 lost last time to him, but I think he turned it down, bro.
Yeah.
Cause he had just turned it up for Roddy,